Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a key financial topic. Why does higher credit utilization hurt your credit score? If you're trying to build or maintain good credit, this is essential knowledge. Let's break it down step by step. First, what is credit utilization? It's the ratio of how much credit you're using compared to your total available credit. For instance, if you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit and you've used $700, your utilization rate is 70%. This factor makes up about 30% of your FICO credit score, so it's a big deal. Now, why does a higher utilization rate drag your score down? Lenders view it as a sign of financial risk. When you're using a large chunk of your available credit, it looks like you might be overextended and could struggle to pay back debts. This makes you seem less reliable to creditors, potentially leading to higher interest rates or even loan denials. Let me give you a quick example. If your utilization is above 30%, which is the recommended threshold, it can signal trouble. Studies show that scores drop significantly when utilization exceeds this mark because it implies poor money management. On the flip side, keeping it under 30% demonstrates responsibility and can boost your score over time. So, how can you improve this? Start by paying down your balances regularly. Aim to do this before your statement dates. You could also request a credit limit increase on your cards, but only if you're confident you won't overspend. Remember, building good credit is about balance and smart habits. In summary, higher credit utilization decreases your score by making you appear risky to lenders. By keeping it low, you're paving the way for a stronger financial future. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.